This is vívoactive 5. It helps you get to know the real you, like how well you slept last night, how much sleep you need for the night ahead, and that it looks like it's going to be a great day to move. It knows how much energy your body has right now, and has a ton of great ways for you to stay active. It knows that your fitness is improving because you know when to work out and when to recover. That you want to do more and charge less. And that hitting your step goal or push goal is never optional. It also knows you should take a moment to relax. Your training plan is working well. You're younger than you really are. Your cycle is right on schedule. Your workout and recovery balance is just right, and so much more. Know the real you with vívoactive 5 from Garmin.